Hey there, my friends. Coach KIRKSHINTA here. The question is, can you make $500 in 48 hours? Absolutely. That is exactly what I was able to do, and I'm going to show you proof of that, and I'm going to show you how you can absolutely do the same. So today is the 4th, and on the 3rd, I got an invoice for $250 paid to me. I'm KIRKSHINTA TURNIPSEED. And that was on the 3rd, and that was for a program called $25 One Up. And then on the 2nd, which is the day before, got a $250 invoice paid to me. And again, that is for a product called $25 One Up. Okay, $250. So that is $500 within 48 hours. And you know, I've made over $20,000 plus with this system, and I'm always excited to talk to people about this and how you can position yourself to do what I have been able to do with this system. And I think it's really important. Like, now is the season, everyone is starting to think about what new year they want to manifest, and you could actually position yourself to start generating commissions that really change your bottom line. And that's really what it's about, and I'm always excited to introduce people to this. So I'm going to quickly go over some things that you need to know about the system. So basically what it is in a nutshell, this is a direct commission program. It allows you to earn commissions of $125, $250, $500, and $1,000 direct commissions to you. Okay? And you can choose to receive your payments however you want to. I like to use Square. Some people like to use Zelle. Some people like to use, which recently they added Zelle as an option in the back office. You can use Cash App. You can use Facebook Payments. You could Venmo. It is up to you. It's like the sky is the limit. You could accept Bitcoin, right? However you want to accept payment, you can accept payment with this program. And again, I already said this is 100% direct commissions to you. That's the best thing about this program. There's no 50%. There's no, 25%, 100% direct commission program. And these are the levels. Diamond, Enterprise, and Elite are the full-time income levels. And those are the levels I focus on. I also help people at Platinum. People who are Gold, that's not really, where I position myself, because my goal as a coach is to help people who want to build full-time income. And to me, there's different types of income levels. There's hobby income, which is basically like $25 level. There's part-time income, which is the platinum level, and then the full-time income levels are $250, $500, $1,000. Those are people who really want to build a full-time income. They want to be able to have $500 days. Then they position themselves at levels that allow them to have $500 days. Okay, and those are the people that I love to help, and of course, people at Platinum as well. So, anyways, this program, it allows you to get paid daily. You don't have to wait till payday. And the best thing about it is there's no monthly fees. Okay? So what you can do, you come in and you purchase one of these packages, and it immediately positions you to be able to start earning great commissions. Okay? So whatever package you purchase, you're not only going to get digital marketing education to help you learn how to be a better marketer online and make thousands of dollars forever, right? Through social media marketing, right? But you're going to be able to earn commissions that really make dollars and cents. Okay, so for example, if you came in at the elite level, that's where I am, right? You are able to earn $1,500, $250, and $125 and $25 commissions. So someone comes in through your link, which is your digital store, and they can purchase whatever package they want. But I'm positioned to earn any of those commissions. Okay, someone can come into my store at the enterprise level. 500. If you're at 500, you'll be positioned to earn 500, 250, 125, and 25. If you're at diamond, you'll be positioned to earn 250, 125, and 25 commissions. If you're at platinum, you'll be positioned to earn 125 and 25. And there's nothing under gold, which is $25. Okay. So that's pretty much it. What will happen is, if you wanted to join this program, and I really encourage people to get started, because there's no monthly fees, and you could really start a business without constantly bleeding money. Okay. So, which helps you get into profit mode sooner. Okay, so what it is, you come and you purchase whatever package that you want, and really think about your income goals, where you want to be and where you want to position yourself. You purchase your package. Okay, again, tied to that is digital marketing education. That's going to help you be a better social media marketer, a better online marketer, and it also positions you to earn these commissions at any level that's underneath. Okay, so when someone comes in the store, your position to earn those commissions. Okay. Now, one great thing that is a bonus that is built into this program is something that's called pass-up leverage. What that means is when someone comes into your system and they purchase a package, let's say the 250 package, okay? Let's say you have for the month 5, okay? With my blueprint, there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to do that, right? That's $1,250 you will earn for the month. And then those people, when they get plugged into the same blueprint, which I'm going to talk about in a second, they get plugged into the blueprint, their first commission they keep, their second commission rolls up to you. So now you made an extra $1,250 for not doing anything extra. You made $2,500 off of 5 commissions, okay? There's not a lot of programs in the internet space where you can do that. That's why this is one of my favorite programs, okay? And one of the things that I want to talk about is how I position people for success with this work from home system, okay? First thing that I do with people who come into this program platinum or higher is they get access to my blueprint. And that blueprint walks you through step by step how to leverage social media to be able to create income, as I have been able to do, and produce $20,000 commissions, and to do it without chasing family and friends, to do it without struggle because you know what to do. When you wake up every day and your feet hit the ground, you have a game plan, a roadmap of what you should be doing. You can do it in an hour or two a day, as I have been able to do. All right, you can do this whether you work full time, you're retired, whatever. I love this system. Okay, I have a full membership site. I have plenty of video. Actually, I have a bonus video that goes over that, and you can check that out. It's in my $25 one-up playlist. But anyways, when you join at the platinum or higher level, you get access to the blueprint. And you also get access to my coaching group, okay? I just want to give a forewarning, somewhere around November 1st, that will be changing, okay? Because I have been pouring so much value into this coaching group, like $1,000 level high ticket coaching into that group. So when that rolls around, the only people who will get access to the actual coaching group will be diamond or higher. Okay, everyone platinum and higher will still get access to the blueprint, but the actual coaching group, my elite coaching group, I should say, I actually have 2 coaching groups, but my elite coaching group will only diamond and higher. All right, and that's to really support people who invest in their success and they're ready to be full-time income producers. All right, so I'm so excited to introduce you to the system. If you have questions, you want to watch the full presentation. You have questions, reach out, let me know what your questions are. Or if you're ready to get started and you're ready to get your blueprint, which will give you my 20K blueprint and let you know exactly how I did this, how I've been able to do this and manifest $500 a day using the system, and you can too, then you want that blueprint so you know what to do. Okay? And you can get that. Check out the section beneath this video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn the notifications bell, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.